Welcome to the world of pure electric luxury, where comfort meets cutting-edge technology and performance feels effortless. The BMW i7 2026 is not just a car, it is a statement of class, innovation, and futuristic mobility. From the very first glance, this black shine beauty commands attention with its bold presence and refined elegance. The illuminated kidney grille instantly tells you that this is no ordinary 7 Series. It's electric, it's powerful, and it's designed for those who want the absolute best. The sleek, adaptive LED headlights blend perfectly with the sculpted hood lines, creating a front design that looks both aggressive and elegant at the same time. Standing still in a luxury showroom, the BMW i7 already feels alive, reflecting light from every angle like a moving piece of art. As you move along the side profile, the long wheelbase and smooth flowing body lines define true executive luxury. The flush door handles, chrome window surrounds, and large aerodynamic alloy wheels enhance its premium appeal. Everything about the BMW i7 is clean, minimal, and perfectly proportioned. The glossy black paint adds depth and richness, making the reflections look sharp and sophisticated. This is the kind of car that looks just as stunning cruising silently through city streets as it does parked in a high-end showroom. BMW has clearly focused on aerodynamics, comfort, and visual balance, making the i7 feel modern without losing its traditional luxury sedan identity. The rear design continues the same elegant theme. Slim LED taillights stretch across the back, giving the car a wide and planted stance. The illuminated BMW logo adds a futuristic touch, while the sculpted rear bumper keeps the design clean and premium. There's no unnecessary aggression here, just confidence. This is luxury that doesn't need to shout. The BMW i7 represents power in silence, and that's exactly what makes it special. It's the kind of car that executives, business leaders, and luxury enthusiasts instantly connect with. Step inside the cabin and you enter a completely different world. The interior of the BMW i7 2026 feels more like a private lounge than a car. Premium black leather seats with fine stitching surround you with comfort, while the crystal-style control elements sparkle subtly under ambient lighting. The curved BMW digital display stretches across the dashboard, combining the driver screen and infotainment system into one seamless experience. Every button, every surface, every material feels expensive and carefully crafted. Ambient lighting flows across the doors and dashboard, creating a calm and relaxing atmosphere, especially during night drives. The steering wheel feels solid and premium in your hands, giving you complete confidence even though the i7 is built for smooth and relaxed driving. The central touchscreen responds instantly, offering navigation, entertainment, and vehicle controls with BMW's latest software. Voice commands, gesture control, and intelligent assistance systems make the experience effortless. This car doesn't demand attention from the driver, it adapts to you. Everything feels intuitive, smooth, and futuristic. One of the biggest highlights of the BMW i7 is the rear seat experience. This is where luxury truly reaches another level. With the optional BMW theater screen, rear passengers get a massive display that transforms the back seat into a private cinema. Combined with premium sound isolation, ambient lighting, and ultra-comfortable seats, the rear cabin feels like first-class travel. This is not just transportation, it's an experience. Long journeys feel shorter, and short journeys feel special. Under the body, the BMW i7 2026 delivers impressive electric performance. Depending on the variant, it offers powerful acceleration that feels instant and smooth. There's no engine noise, no vibration, just silent strength. The electric motors deliver confident power, making overtakes effortless and highway cruising incredibly relaxing. Despite its size and luxury focus, the i7 still carries BMW's driving DNA. The steering is precise, the ride is stable, and the adaptive suspension ensures comfort on every road surface. Whether you're driving yourself or sitting in the back seat, the experience remains premium and refined. Range anxiety is not a concern here. The i7 offers a strong electric range suitable for daily commutes as well as long-distance travel. Fast charging support ensures minimal downtime, allowing you to get back on the road quickly. BMW's intelligent energy management system optimizes efficiency without compromising performance. This makes the i7 not only luxurious, but also practical for modern lifestyles. Safety and driver assistance technologies are another strong point. The i7 is equipped with advanced systems like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, collision avoidance, and parking assist. These features work seamlessly in the background, enhancing safety without interrupting the driving experience. BMW has focused on making technology supportive rather than intrusive, which perfectly matches the car's luxury character. What truly sets the BMW i7 2026 apart is how effortlessly it blends technology, comfort, and design. It doesn't try to be flashy, instead it focuses on refinement. The black shine exterior gives it a timeless appeal, while the high-tech interior ensures it feels modern for years to come. This is the kind of car that represents success, confidence, and forward thinking. It's built for those who appreciate silence, sophistication, and smart innovation. In the world of electric luxury sedans, the BMW i7 stands tall as a true flagship. It proves that electric cars don't have to compromise on comfort or elegance. Instead, they can elevate the experience to an entirely new level. The BMW i7 2026 is more than just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle choice. It's for those who want to enjoy the future today without giving up the luxury they deserve. For anyone looking to experience the next generation of executive electric mobility, the BMW i7 delivers on every front. From its commanding exterior presence to its ultra-luxurious interior and smooth electric performance, this car defines what modern luxury should feel like. This is BMW's vision of the future, and it's quiet, powerful, and incredibly refined.